Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told in the xy plane, a line that has the equation y is equal to c for some constant intersects the parabola at exactly one point. So if we draw a graph in the xy plane here, we have some parabola. For a horizontal line to intersect the parabola at exactly one point, it has to intersect it at the vertex. Any other point, it's either not going to hit it at all or hit it in 2 points. So to find the value of c, for the given parabola we have y is equal to negative x squared plus 5x, we have to find the y value of the parabola. So that's the y value of the entire horizontal line. So to find the vertex, we first have to realize that for any parabola, the vertex is halfway between the two x-intercepts. So if we have this here, and we want to find the x-intercepts, that's the value of x when y is 0, so plugging in 0 for y, we have 0 is equal to negative x squared plus 5x. 0 is equal to, pulling out an x from both of these, negative x plus 5. And we have x times 0 and negative x plus 5 times 0. For this to be equal to 0, either x has to be equal to 0 or negative x plus 5 has to be equal to 0. Solving this equation, subtracting 5 from both sides, we get negative x is equal to 0 minus 5 is negative 5, dividing by negative 1. Negative x divided by negative 1 is x, negative 5 divided by negative 1 is 5. So now we have our two x-intercepts, 0 and 5, and we said our vertex is halfway between them. So 0 plus 5 divided by 2 is 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So this is the x value of the vertex. How do we find the y value? Well, we know it's on the parabola, and we know our x value, so you just plug it into this equation. Y is equal to negative 2.5 squared plus 5 times 2.5. This is going to be equal to negative 6.25 plus 12.5, and just plugging this into your calculator, is equal to 6.25. So this is our y value, and it is the y value of this point, which means that this line that goes through it is y is equal to 6.25. And therefore, your value of c, 6.25, is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.